Brief history of the town. Leon, Iloilo was originally called Camando and was founded in 1730 under the leadership of Bernabe Bungkag, who served as the town's first gobernadorcillo. In 1866, the town center was transferred to Sitio Capan, a large rice-producing area. 2 years later, in 1868, the town was renamed Leon in honor of Leon, a city in Spain influenced by the parish priest Father Agustin Castro. Even after the name change, many residents keep surnames beginning with the letter C as a remembrance of the old name Camando. Significant people and local heroes. Bernabe Bungkag. He was the first gobernadorcillo, town leader of Camando, established in 1730. Camando was the original name of the municipality now known as Leon in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. He is recognized as a key figure in the early history and foundation of the town. Father Agustin Castro, parish priest of Leon, Iloilo. He served as the parish priest and is credited with naming the town Leon, his hometown in Spain, after it was transferred to its current location in 1866. Captain Jose Cabalpin Calugas Sr., a Filipino soldier and war hero who received the Medal of Honor for his bravery during World War II. Geography of Leon. Leon, Iloilo is a municipality located on the island of Panay, about 26 kilometers from Iloilo City. It has a land area of approximately 14 to 16,000 hectares and is composed of 85 barangays. The terrain includes plains, hills, and mountainous areas, making it suitable for agriculture. The population is estimated to be 50,000 or more residents. The municipality is also rich in natural resources, including forests, rivers, waterfalls, and wildlife, particularly in upland areas like Bukhari. Culture of Leon. Leon has a rich culture influenced by local traditions and strong Catholic practices. Festivals and traditions. Religious fiestas, Catholic traditions, Caing Festival, a local festival that celebrates Leon's agricultural abundance, especially vegetables. It highlights the hard work of farmers and showcases the town's identity as the vegetable basket of Iloilo. The term kaing refers to a traditional basket used for carrying farm produce.
Celebrar ang Kaing Festival na Buyaw Pangibabaw Nabugal sa Iloilo Tungod sa Bukhari mo Ang unang pangalan Camando kat nanging Leon Ang tawag sa imo Tungod sa bugan.
Leon, known as the vegetable basket and summer capital of Iloilo, boasts a culture deeply rooted in agriculture, history, and mountainous charm. Its vibrant, high-altitude landscape supports a community focused on farming, highlighted by the annual Kaing Festival and the scenic Chili Bukhari Pine Forest.